Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. We're so happy you're here today because this lesson is going to help you travel with more confidence and speak English naturally in real-life situations. Traveling can be exciting, but it can also feel stressful when you don't know what to say in English. If you've ever felt nervous at an airport, hotel, restaurant, or taxi, don't worry. Today's lesson is for you.
Hey guys, yes, this is one of the most practical English topics because travel English is something people really use in everyday life. When you travel, you need to ask questions, understand directions, check into hotels, order food, and communicate clearly. Today, we'll practice all of that together in a simple and natural way.
That's right. Today's topic is Hotel and Travel English, 100 real-life conversations for beginners. We'll practice useful travel phrases, natural conversations, and common situations you may experience while traveling.
And don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll keep everything easy, practical, and realistic.
Let's start at the airport because that's where every trip begins.
One of the most common questions at the airport is, "Where are you flying today?"
You can answer, "I'm flying to Singapore."
Or, "I'm traveling to London for vacation."
Another important airport sentence is, "Can I see your passport, please?"
You can respond politely with, "Sure, here it is."
If you need help, you can ask, "Where is gate 12?"
Or, "What time does boarding start?"
These simple questions can make your travel experience much easier and less stressful. Now let's practice a real airport conversation.
"Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?"
Of course, here they are.
"Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?"
Yes, just this suitcase.
"Great. Your flight leaves at 10:30 a.m. and boarding starts at 9:50 a.m.
Thank you. Which gate should I go to?
Gate 18. Just follow the signs after security."
Perfect. Thank you very much.
"You're welcome. Have a nice flight."
That conversation may seem simple, but these are exactly the types of interactions travelers have every day.
Yes, and when you practice these situations before traveling, you feel much more relaxed and confident.
Now let's move to hotel English.
When you arrive at a hotel, one important sentence is, "I have a reservation."
The receptionist may ask, "Can I have your name, please?"
Yes, it's Jack Brown.
Another useful question is, "What time is breakfast?"
Or, "Is Wi-Fi included?"
If you need help, you can ask, "Can I get extra towels?"
Or, "Could you help me with my luggage?"
Now let's practice a hotel check-in conversation.
"Good evening. Welcome to the Grand Hotel. How can I help you today?"
"Hi, I have a reservation under Emma Smith."
"Wonderful. Can I see your passport, please?"
"Sure, here you go."
"Thank you. You'll be staying for 4 nights, correct?"
"Yes, that's right."
"Perfect. Your room is on the 6th floor. Here's your key card."
"Thank you. What time does breakfast start tomorrow?"
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the restaurant downstairs.
"Great, thank you so much."
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Hotel conversations are usually very polite and straightforward.
Yes, the key is speaking slowly, clearly, and confidently.
Now let's talk about transportation English.
If you take a taxi, you can say, "Can you take me to this address?"
You can also ask, "How long will it take to get there?"
If you're using public transportation, ask, "Which bus goes downtown?"
You can also ask, "How much is the ticket?"
If you're lost, you can ask, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
And another important one is, "Could you show me on the map?" Now let's practice a taxi conversation.
"Hello, where would you like to go?"
"Hi, can you take me to Central Station, please?"
"Of course, it should take about 20 minutes."
"Great. Is traffic bad right now?"
"A little, but not too bad today."
"That's good to hear. I don't want to miss my train."
"Don't worry, we should arrive on time."
Now let's move to restaurant English.
Restaurants are great places to practice speaking because the conversations are usually short and simple.
When entering a restaurant, you may hear, "Table for two?"
You can answer, "Yes, please."
When ordering food, say, "I'd like the chicken pasta."
Or, "Can I get some water, please?"
If you have a question, ask, "What do you recommend?"
And before leaving, can we have the bill, please?
Now let's practice a restaurant conversation.
Good evening. Welcome. Here's the menu.
Thank you. Everything looks delicious.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken and a glass of orange juice.
Great choice. Would you like anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Perfect. I'll bring your order shortly.
Thank you very much. Travel conversations are usually simple, but they're very important because they help you communicate clearly in real situations.
Yes, and the more you practice these situations, the more comfortable you become.
Now let's practice a casual travel conversation between two travelers.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Thanks. Are you traveling for work or vacation?
Vacation. I really needed a break. What about you?
Same here. I've been working a lot recently, so I wanted some time to relax.
That sounds nice. Is this your first time visiting this city?
Yes, it is. I'm excited to explore and try the local food.
You'll love it. The food here is amazing, especially the street food.
Really? I definitely want to try that. Do you have any recommendations?
Absolutely. There's a small restaurant near the river that's really popular with locals.
That sounds perfect. Thanks for the suggestion.
No problem. I hope you enjoy your trip. Conversations like this help you connect with people and enjoy traveling even more.
Yes, travel is not only about visiting places, it's also about meeting people and sharing experiences.
Before we finish, here's your challenge for today.
Practice one travel situation out loud today.
Imagine you're at an airport, hotel, restaurant, or taxi.
Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently.
Remember, you don't need perfect English, you just need communication.
And every small conversation helps you improve your fluency and confidence.
That's it for today's episode. We hope this lesson helps you travel more confidently and enjoy speaking English in real life.
Keep practicing every day and keep enjoying your English learning journey.
See you in the next episode.
Bye everyone. Take care.